What if I told you that retiring in your 30s isn't just a dream but a real possibility? Imagine waking up without an alarm, having complete control over your time and never worrying about money again. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve financial independence and retire early, without winning the lottery or inheriting millions. If you're ready to escape the rat race and take control of your life, stay tuned, because what you're about to hear could change your financial future forever. Financial independence means having enough money and passive income to cover your expenses without relying on a job. It's about making your money work for you instead of working for money. Once you reach this stage, you no longer need to trade your time for a paycheck. You can choose how you spend your days, whether that means traveling the world, starting a passion project, or simply relaxing with family. The choice is yours. But here's the thing, financial independence doesn't happen by accident. It requires a clear strategy, discipline, and the right mindset. Many people assume you need to earn a ridiculously high income to retire early, but that's not true. Even an average income earner can achieve financial independence with the right habits. Let's break it down step by step. The first step to early retirement is spending less than you earn. The lower your expenses, the less money you need to achieve financial freedom. Cut unnecessary costs. Track your expenses and eliminate things that don't add value to your life. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Embrace frugality. Find joy in simple, cost-effective activities instead of expensive habits. Reduce housing costs. Consider downsizing, house hacking, or moving to a lower cost of living area. Minimize transportation costs. Drive a reliable used car instead of buying new, or consider using public transport. Small changes can make a huge difference. Reducing your expenses by just a few $100s a month means needing thousands less in your retirement fund. While cutting costs is crucial, increasing your income can accelerate your path to early retirement. Here's how. Negotiate your salary. Many people leave money on the table by not asking for raises. Start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling online, or investing, find additional income streams. Invest in skills. Learning new skills can lead to higher-paying jobs or business opportunities. Create passive income. Build assets that generate money while you sleep, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or online businesses. Monetize your hobbies. Many people turn their passions into profitable ventures, whether it's blogging, photography, or teaching online courses. More income means more money to invest and a faster path to financial independence. The key to early retirement is saving aggressively. The average savings rate in the US is around 5 to 10%, but if you want to retire in your 30s, you need to aim for 50 to 70% of your income. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts. Live below your means. Just because you earn six figures doesn't mean you need to spend it all. Track your progress. Keep an eye on your savings rate and adjust as needed. Embrace minimalism. Owning fewer things not only saves money but also reduces stress and increases happiness. The more you save now, the sooner you can leave the 9-to-5 grind behind. Saving money alone isn't enough, you need to invest it wisely to build wealth. The best way to grow your money is through smart investing. Index funds. Low-cost index funds like those tracking the S&P 500 are great for long-term growth. Real estate. Owning rental properties can provide consistent income. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can create passive income. Businesses. Starting or investing in a business can multiply your wealth. Alternative investments. Some people invest in crypto, REITs, or peer-to-peer lending to diversify their portfolios. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. To retire early, you need to calculate your FIRE, or financial independence, retire early number. This is the amount of money you need to cover your annual expenses for life. A general rule is the 25 times rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. If you need $40,000 per year, you'll need a $1 million investment portfolio. The 4% rule states that if you withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio each year, your money should last indefinitely. Knowing your FIRE number gives you a clear goal to work toward. Many people fail to reach early retirement because they make avoidable mistakes. Here are some to watch out for. Not investing early enough. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes. relying on just one income stream. Diversify your income to protect against job loss or economic downturns. Ignoring inflation. Your money loses value over time, so your investments must grow faster than inflation. Letting fear hold you back. Many people fear investing, but not investing is the biggest risk of all. Retiring early isn't just about quitting your job, it's about designing a fulfilling life. Ask yourself, what do I want to do with my time? Travel? Start a business? Spend more time with family? Where do I want to live? Some people move to lower-cost areas to stretch their savings further. How will I stay engaged? Many early retirees find purpose in volunteering, passion projects, or part-time work. The goal isn't just to retire, it's to create a life you love. Early retirement in your 30s is possible, but it requires discipline, smart investing, and a commitment to financial independence. Lower your expenses, increase your income, save aggressively, and invest wisely. Most importantly, stay focused on your goal and don't let distractions slow you down. If this video gave you value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Let's build financial freedom together. See you in the next one.